Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to give you the demo of this application iBeam Generate QR Code. This application can publish drawing annotations into Trimble Connect and it will create a shared link for the QR code and add the QR code to your assembly drawing and cast unit drawings. Before I run this application, let me show you the final output. I'm just opening the cast unit drawing. I'm going to scan this QR code with my mobile and continue to your destination. Click this clouds symbol at the bottom. This particular drawing has three views. You can see this trowel face reinforcement and the section AA. That's what it shows here. When you rotate, you can see the member. To display the dimension, click Show Dimensions. And if you want to hide any particular view dimension, you can press the hide, so that will automatically hide the dimensions. Let me just click this cloud symbol one more time, hide the side window. Here you can see the dimensions and drawing annotations. I'm going to scan another drawing. Let me take this C5. It shows the top view, front view, bottom view, and section AA and section BB. Let me rotate, and you can see the column. To display the dimensions only for the top view, let me just press top. You can see the top view dimensions. And if I press the front view, it will show the front view and section dimensions. Let me press show dimensions here so that it will display the dimensions of all the views. And to make it even better, let me press this cloud symbol one more time, and now you can see. If you know how to add dimensions in Trimble Connect, you can also measure the distance. Purposely, I deleted the dimensions between the bolts. So let me just select the plus sign, add measurement. I'm going to pick the center point of this bolt and the center point of the first bolt. So it shows the distance 100. When I just go to the Tekla, you can see the dimension is 100. Let me show you how this application works. Before you run this application, you have to publish this model into Trimble Connect and then upload the model. Let me just open the browser. You can see the Tekla model here and the drawing annotations. So here is the application. You have two options. You can choose selected assemblies or selection filter. Let me choose selected assemblies. I have chosen Australia when I publish this model into Trimble Connect. It will automatically upload all the Trimble projects once you select the server, and then select this project, change the switch to selected assemblies. In the interest of the time, I'm going to pick only these two assemblies and this cast unit. And before you run it, you have to keep the document manager open. So let me just go to the document manager. I'll move this to the next screen and publish annotation. So the process is complete. Let me just go to the Trimble Connect, drawing annotations. So this is CP2 and this one is C1 and B1. You can see the CP2 here and B1 and C1. It might take a little bit of time to upload this drawing annotation, so I would say give at least 5 to 10 minutes time. If I go to the cast unit drawing and I'm opening the CP2, so let me just scan this cast unit drawing and continue to your destination. So you can see it shows the three views. Show dimension. You can see the dimensions with annotations. So just imagine how much this is going to help you in the fabrication shop. If you have any questions with this application, feel free to get in touch with me, and thank you for watching this video.